Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a draft command in CATIA. Okay, today discuss here CATIA lecture 36 and CATIA all 3D commands learn easily. Explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay, today discuss here draft command is very important, and draft command is a use a editing command. Anybody is editing and then is looking body is good looking. Okay guys, at first open a CATIA software interface. This is our CATIA software interface, and this body is already is drawing here, and this is a 3D body is drawing here, and use a draft command is use. Okay, this is a draft angle, and this is a draft reflected line, and this is a variable angle draft. 3 command is learn here, one by one learn here. Okay, today is learn is draft angle. Click a draft angle. Okay, this draft type is first is constant, second is variable. Okay, and angle is a 10. Okay, and this is a select a face to draft, any face to draft. At first select this face is draft, and next is neutral element. This is a neutral element. Okay, this face is neutral element, and this face is a draft. Angle is change, and preview is showing here, and this body is draft. Okay, this is a gap here, and this body is a draft. Okay, this body is a draft, you can see here. And also double click here, and also click this face, and this face also click, and this face also, and this face also click here, and all 4 elements is you can see here, and this is a preview is showing here. Okay, and all is a gap showing here. Okay, and you can this is a use a draft. Okay, this is a draft, angle is draft. Okay, all element you can see here. Okay guys, draft is completed here, and okay guys, CATIA lecture guys, next lecture is coming soon, and today discuss here draft command is discuss, and a large number of practice CATIA practice tutorial you can see there. Okay, this channel is available CATIA practice tutorial. A draft is a very large number of practice, then use a CATIA practice tutorial and a large number of practice, and you are going to perfect. Okay guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.